Hello guys, once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's daily Cipher Morse code, July 13, 2024, is block. B-L-O-C-K. For our first letter B is dash dot dot dot. Dash dot dot dot. And for our second letter L is dot dash dot dot. Dot dash dot dot. And for our third letter O is dash dash dash. Dash dash dash. And for our fourth letter C is dash dot dash dot. Dash dot dash dot. And lastly, for our letter K is dash dot dash. Dash dot dash. We can now take the 1M token to decipher Morse code. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.